Welcome to this clear and detailed guide on how to create a photo gallery in WordPress. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. When the site loads, you will see various elements on the page. At the top right corner of the screen, you will notice the login option. Click on this login option to begin the process of accessing your account. Once you have clicked the login button, the next step is to sign in using your account credentials. Instead of entering a username and password manually, choose the option that says Continue with Google. This method simplifies the process by allowing you to select your account from the list provided by Google. Simply click on Continue with Google, and when prompted, choose the appropriate account you wish to use. After you have successfully signed in, you will be directed to your account's dashboard. In this area, look for a section called Quick Links. This section is designed to give you fast access to essential site management features. Within Quick Links, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to enter the site editor interface where you can modify your site's appearance and add content. Once you are in the site editor, direct your attention toward the top left corner of your screen. There you will see a plus icon. Clicking this icon is crucial because it allows you to add new blocks and elements to your page. When you click the plus icon, a panel will appear that invites you to search for different types of content blocks. In the search box that becomes available, type the word gallery. As you enter the word, be patient while the system filters through the available blocks. When the gallery block appears on your screen, click on it to begin customizing your photo gallery. This action prepares your page to receive visual content in the form of a gallery. After selecting the gallery block, you can proceed to add your photos. The interface will provide you with options regarding how to incorporate your images. Look for a button that says Select Images. When you click on this button, you will be taken to your media library where all your available images are stored. This media library is a central repository for all images you have previously uploaded. Review your collection and select the photos you wish to showcase in your gallery. With your photos selected, your next step involves creating a new gallery layout. To do this, look at the bottom right portion of the image selection panel, where you will find the option labeled Create a New Gallery. Click this option to compile your selected images into a gallery structure. Finally, with your gallery assembled, conclude the process by clicking on the Insert Gallery button. This final action adds the gallery to your WordPress page, making it visible to future visitors of your site. By following these steps carefully, you now have an attractive and functional photo gallery integrated into your WordPress website. Enjoy the enhanced visual appeal and improved organization that your new gallery brings to your site.